Ciao tutti. My name's Dr. Gerard Logan and I'm a viticultural enologist in New Zealand. Big thank you to Ricardo for allowing me to be part of his channel and joining this journey he's on. This is a fantastic opportunity for me to talk about New Zealand vineyards and wines. In New Zealand vineyard area, we grow approximately 29 to 30,000 hectares of Sauvignon Blanc, so that's our most predominant varietal by a long stretch. And second place goes to Pinot Noir with a little over 5,700 hectares planted. The remainder of which is often Pinot Gris, Chardonnay and Merlot, with a number of other smaller varietals planted such as Syrah, which does particularly well here. As you can imagine, we're well known for Sauvignon Blanc, and we predominantly grow this in a 4-cane VSP or vertical shoot position system. And that accounts for a lot of our vineyard area. The trellising systems primarily used here in New Zealand are vertical shoot positioning, which for the most part is either 2 or 4 canes are laid down on the wire. This is to do with the number of clusters or fruit that we want to produce, the yield, and primarily in some of the good soils, the heavier soils, we would lay down 4 canes, particularly for Sauvignon Blanc, because that will produce better quality fruit. The decision of trellising type is based on vineyard soil and environmental conditions, but also mechanization. So quite often these are vineyard specific. And the justification generally for that is improved light and air transport into the cluster zone, and of course the ultimate, which is mechanization. Mechanization is one of the reasons that New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc became so famous in the first place. The type of harvesting we do actually improves the quality of the fruit and the desired outcomes. We found many years ago that the thiols, or the desirable aroma compounds in Sauvignon Blanc, increase as a result of machine harvesting. And so for us, machine harvesting is actually seen as a high quality tool because it produces the wine that the consumer likes. However, in other styles, for example Pinot Noir, Chardonnay and others, we often handpick for our top tier wines because that produces the better quality wines. Many different styles of wines are made here, one of which I should note is sparkling. The sparkling wine that we focus on is the Méthode Traditionnelle, and we do so because it's such a good place for it to grow here. We can harvest them slightly earlier, and we do make some fantastic, well-renowned and awarded wines. Here in New Zealand, we grow approximately 500,000 tonnes of wine grapes per year, and that figure increases based on our export markets requirements. Most of that viticultural production is based in Marlborough, where I'm right now, and yet we have vineyards spread across both islands. So thank you very much to Ricardo for allowing me to be part of this channel. I'm really excited to see the development of the channel, and really excited to be part of the content as we go forward, as we learn more about New Zealand wines, and I'm allowed to share those with Italian growers and beyond. So thank you very much, and ciao tutti.